Lubing India was established in 2001. Lubing originally from Germany. They have got around 10 subsidiaries across the world. They have got around 100 dealers throughout the world, and we are working for them in India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. We are mostly experienced in selling drinking system for poultry, piggeries and rabbits. Also we are experts in conveying system. Last 2 years back we have introduced egg collection system in India, which has been working good. It has been specially built up for Indian farming, seeing the conditions here, type of cages they use. Accordingly, we have developed the system here. Last 2 years we had done a lot of installation across India. Then we are into top climber system, which is fogging system, which gives mist like fog, which helps farmers to get their temperature down in the sheds in the summertime, and they save on the cost of mortality, which is normally high in Indian conditions when the temperatures are high. Plastic pad cooling system, which has got advantages over normal traditionally used GI or powder coated trups, which over a period of time get rusted, rotten, and then in case you need certain maintenance, you need to open the whole system. Whereas in plastic pad cooling system, we can dismantle the whole system part by part and replace the pads and change and put in new, or you need to clean them and all, and put the system again back into the shape within no time. Our main motto in business is service. Service is a main concern for us because we are dealing in livestock business. We import critical parts for all the system, like we import drinking system. For drinking system, we import nipples, pressure regulators and breather unit. Rest are manufactured at our establishment in Pune. But the manufacturing is taken care as per German standards. So we try to 100% copy, or we try to stick to the standards laid down by our partners in Germany. And we see to it that the raw material used in those our products are of high quality, they are virgin, and the colors and the master batches and UV we import from Germany. This year we have introduced Twin Clean line for Indian poultry. It's a line which we, after doing a lot of research across the world, Lubing has thought that the water is getting disinfected in the drinking line. So we have established a Twin Clean watering system which has a UV bulb in the system, and the water keeps on circulating continuously. So there are three advantages. One is the water is being disinfected, it is clean, no bacteria. Second, the water is moving, so we'll have the cold water, we can reduce the temperature of the water in sense when the water is stationary. So it tends to get hot in hot climates, but when it's in circulation, the temperature goes down. Whereas in this case, the whole complete medication, because there is no settlement of water anywhere in the system, is consumed by the birds. So that's very cost effective and it helps farmers. This can be used only for deep litter houses.